Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jotform Sign with Zoho CRM. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows your signed documents to automatically sync with your CRM, saving you time and ensuring all your client information stays organized in one place. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're entering the correct email and password to access your account smoothly. After you've logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the page where you'll see an option labeled My Workspace. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Signed Documents. This will take you to the area where all your signed documents are stored and managed. Now, look through your documents and find the specific one you want to integrate with Zoho CRM. Once you've located it, click the Edit button next to that document. This opens up the document editor where you can make various modifications and adjustments. At the top of the screen, you'll notice several tabs. Click on the Settings tab to access the configuration options for your document. This is where you'll control how your document behaves and connects with other platforms. In the Settings area, look at the left panel and select Integrations. This section houses all the available third-party connections that Jotform Sign supports, allowing you to streamline your workflow by connecting with other tools you already use. You'll see a search bar at this point. Type Zoho CRM into the search bar and select it from the results that appear. This brings up the Zoho CRM integration setup page. Next, click the Authenticate button. This will prompt you to sign in to your Zoho CRM account to establish the connection between the two platforms. Enter your Zoho credentials carefully to authorize the integration. This step is crucial as it ensures secure access between Jotform Sign and your CRM data. Once you're authenticated, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Choose a Zoho CRM module. From this drop-down, select your desired module such as leads or contacts depending on where you want your document data to flow within Zoho CRM. This determines how the information from your signed documents will be organized in your CRM. Now comes the field mapping stage. You'll see two columns on your screen. The left column displays Zoho CRM fields, and the right column shows your Jotform fields. Your job here is to match the Jotform fields to the corresponding Zoho CRM fields. You can do this by dragging fields or selecting them from drop-down menus to ensure that information like names, email addresses, and phone numbers end up in the correct places in your CRM. If you have any additional notes or instructions you'd like to include about this integration, there's a note field provided where you can type those details. This is optional but can be helpful for keeping track of specific integration settings or reminders. Finally, once you've mapped all your fields and added any necessary notes, click Finish or Save to complete the setup. Your integration is now active, and any documents signed through Jotform will automatically sync with your Zoho CRM. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Jotform Sign with Zoho CRM, creating a seamless connection between your document signing process and customer relationship management. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.